I'll be taking my car right away here for cleaning. I would like it to be just like this, spotless, very clean. Those are the end results after I had finished having the car washed or cleaned. I paid $20. I'm sure you can see that. I have to drive in, and I will remain in the car until the car is done, not leaving the car. So I'll just be inside browsing my phone as the car is getting washed. Right away when I finish, I will drive out, but that will come later after it finishes everything. The machine begins to operate. It's automatic. Immediately it comes in. The machine has some sensors that I have already stopped, and I'm ready to begin. So I just sit down there, spray some water over the car just to loosen the dirt or the soil, whichever, and the dust. And then after that, spray some detergent over the car. It goes forward, moves back again, so just stays in. You should make sure that your car doesn't have some area which are there, which can struggle the brushes as they move around the car. Your mirrors will not be touched by the machine. The machine is very sensitive, so your side mirrors are very much safe. So we keep going, already going on, and the washing is continuing. It's continuing doing the scrubbing, comes forth, goes forward. The water actually is in high pressure, and also the foam that is sprayed on the car. I believe the chemicals are not very strong, not to destroy your car paint. Stayed there for a long time. I was like, oh, I need to be gone, but within 10 minutes I'll be done. So it's not you don't stay there for long, so you don't need to worry like, oh, I've been here for long now. Probably you'll be making your phone calls inside, browsing. If you have a computer, you can do something in the car as it continues doing its job. It comes actually right away at the back where we have the number plates. It goes up and down. Now this one goes right away down. And then the ones which are on the sides, the scrubbers, will come at the back until they meet, meaning they will brush completely every part of the car. You see how they are moving from side to side? And then after that they will go again up to the front. Where you have your bull bar or you have your nudge bar in front of the car. So I think the job is very thorough. It's good. It's beautiful way of doing it. If you feel like, I don't want to wash my car at home, so you just drive through, stop there, have your car done, and then just go home. Before you get home, it's already dry, because when you drive around, if it's hot, just by driving, it dries up before you get home. Sometimes it's very hard. You can hear the car shaking because of the vibration of the machine itself. So you can feel it while still inside. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you for being part of my